How to buy Chirper AI token. So this token came under the symbol of CHIRP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 61,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token, it's trending number 15 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy its token address and open your funds to it. For that, as you can see, first of all, log into your wallet. And as you can see here, click on swap and make sure first that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now this is our token, click on it. And now here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token. And as you can see here, click on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy CHIRP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.